Now, it's no surprise to say that mobile browsers are typically smaller than desktop windows. More specifically, I'm referring to their smaller width. To help your customers or visitors from having to pinch to zoom or scroll around just to view your site on their mobile device, Squarespace's responsive design automatically stacks your content blocks vertically on mobile devices. Now, if you're not satisfied with your mobile layout right now, I'm going to help you rearrange your content to get the site that you want on both a mobile device and a desktop computer. We're going to start with a new page in a simple single-column layout. This text block takes up the full width of the page, so it's one column. Adding blocks to the right or the left will add more columns. Now this is a 3-column layout. The width of the desktop layout would be difficult for visitors to view on a mobile device, so on a smaller screen, Squarespace will move the blocks in the second and third columns below the first to make the content more accessible. With more intricate page layouts, you'll still have control over how your blocks will be ordered on a mobile device. As you move your blocks, notice the lines that display between them. These insert markers indicate how your blocks will order on a mobile device. This text relates to the image above it, so to keep our layout consistent, we'll release the text block when the insert marker displays a horizontal line between those two blocks. We'll arrange the other columns this way too. Doing this essentially locks these blocks together within this layout, so that on our phone, the text stays paired with the relevant photo. Lastly, any blocks that are floated within a text block are automatically displayed above the text on a mobile device. I encourage you to experiment with your own layouts and use Device View or your own device to test how it looks on mobile browsers. You might just find a design that you like even better than when you started. Let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.